All right, guys, welcome back. We're heading into style. But just before we do that, though, we want to make a clarification quickly. Earlier on, we were talking with Mishka Allen from Project Star, and it was mentioned that Project Star was funded by private donors, and there was an error that was said. It was actually supposed to be the Heart NSDA Trust, and I believe we had said the NHT. So just to clarify again, they do get their funding from private donors and the Heart NSDA Trust, all right? So I hope that we are now clear on that. Well, in celebration of Jamaica's 63rd independence, owner and fashion designer of Creative Melanin, Charlene Gray, shares her designs that fuses national pride with high fashion. And she said she's nervous. I don't know why she's nervous, because look at her dough, my darling.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy independence. You look like Jamaica, proud and free.
Thank you so much.
How are you feeling this morning?
Good.
Good?
I'm happy to be here. This has always been a dream of mine to be on this stage, and I'm just in disbelief that I am here today.
Well, I believe you, because you're here and the designs are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, take us from the very beginning. How did you get started in fashion designing, and specifically this line that pays tribute to our country?
All right, so I started in 2019. It was on a simple but powerful prayer. God, please show me a sign. So I was working in the call center industry, and I remember one day I felt empty, lost, and frustrated. And I went home and I spoke to God and I said, God, I know this is not the plan you have for me. Please show me a sign and lead me into my purpose. So after saying that prayer, I went online and I saw a poster from JBDC about a leather workshop. So I said, I wonder if this had a sign God has shown me. So I went there the next day, paid for it, and I started making leather accessories, leather bags, and everyone was shocked like, you sure say you're new to this? These are so nice. I'm gonna say, yes, me just start out like uno, right? And then I started selling bags, and from there I went to Heart Trust NTA and I did shoemaking. I got certified in shoemaking and I started making slippers. And at the time, I never had the finances to really continue with the bag and shoes because it's really costly. So that's how I actually ventured out into fashion designing, because that time it would have been cheaper for me to at least start and walk into my purpose from there.
Nice.
So that's how it really started.
Nice. And you know, I mean, leather is kind of hard to navigate. So for you to do all of that is just phenomenal, seriously. We're talking about now your influences in terms of design and fashion. Do you look at what's happening internationally and then pair it to what's Jamaican when you're creating these designs?
I do, yes. And a lot of things actually inspire me. Like I'd go on the road and I see a dress in a store and I say, wow, this dress is so nice. I wonder how I can give it a twist. Or I'll watch a play with Delia Harris, and I saw her wearing a kaftan like
yes.
I said, wow, that kaftan is so nice. How can I give it a twist, give it my flair, little Creative Melanin, look at Jamaican. So that's how I actually came up with this kaftan, because her kaftan inspired me. So
oh, wow. Was you hear that, Delia? I hope you're watching this morning. I probably she's sleeping, you know, but we're going to make sure that she get one kaftan from you, seriously.
Definitely.
I love that. Okay, so you have some really unique pieces this morning. The one with the hummingbird is already just screaming at me right there. I mean, tell me that I'm a Jamaican without telling me I'm a Jamaican, right? And you have some other pieces. Let's talk through them. Tell us about the first one.
So the first one, I call this Rooted. So this is just a signature, it's a statement. It's just a simple t-shirt, and you can wear it to any occasion, church, concert, any outing. Wear it with your slippers, sandals, wear it with jeans. You can see I paired it with the Rasta skirt, right? It's very simple but classy and unique, and you'll definitely be making a statement with this one.
Yeah, we call it Rasta skirt because it bears the colors of the Ethiopian flag, right?
Right.
The red, green, and gold for sure. And I love what you've done with the skirt, and also the fact that it has some kind of dimension to it. So you have the high top and the low back.
Right.
Yeah, I love that. And you have sizes as well in these designs?
I make for every size, every single size. So what I actually require is that you can send me your measurements, because some people don't like shopping online, which I can understand. So if it's more comfortable for you to send me your measurements and I make it, because most of my customers are actually outside of Kingston. So they would send me their measurements and I'll make the outfits for them, and they would be so shocked, like, you haven't seen me in real life and the dress fits so good. So yes, I make for every single person every person.
Because you're a
every
star.
size.
Hello.
Yes.
And the model wears it so well. Love the headband, love the skirt. All right, tell us about this one. I love the fabric.
Ooh, this is, I call
Yes.
this one the strength of a woman. So this is made from linen and African print, right? And on the other side where the African print is, you see it's flowers, it's blooming. So as a woman, you feel empowered in this dress. You're making a statement. Your confidence level is top tier. If you love compliments, just wear this dress.
Charlene, I love this dress. You know what I would like though? I personally would want this longer.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah, man, down to my ankles.
Not
yes,
a problem.
it's so nice and with 2 pockets though.
Yes, it has
pockets.
Yes,
oh, wow.
definitely.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes, the girls are always asking for pockets. So I try to incorporate that in all my pieces, or most of them.
Do you find most women are now asking for linen fabric, especially in the summertime?
Yes, because it's more breathable, it's cool and light. You feel more comfortable in linen.
Nice.
Right?
All right, and model number 3 is coming through with the hummingbird. How did you get the hummingbird on this fabric?
To be honest, God. God, to be honest, I remembered, I think it was 2 weeks ago, I went to God and I said, God, emancipation and independence is coming up and I need to drop this new collection. So I need you to inspire me, and I anointed my foot with oil and I said, God, lead the way. I went on the road, I got the fabrics, and he literally guided my steps. I know he gave me the inspiration for all these designs that you're seeing today. And this one especially, you can see the tail, it's like
it's rimmed with the colors of the flag.
Exactly.
Yeah, that green.
And yes, the two-tail on the dress also mimics the two-tail on the hummingbird as well.
Yes.
So that's how it really ties.
And look how she does show off and dance with herself.
She's so confident in it, right? So confident.
Yes, and you know what I love about it as well? It's so versatile. You can wear it in the daytime, you can wear it at nighttime, you can dress it up, dress it down, add a jacket, wear it as is, accessorize it. That's so nice. So, okay, are you largely in dresses? Do you do pants as well?
I do everything, everything. Just send me up. I also do custom designs. So if there's a design that you see online and you want me to do it, no problem. Just send it to me. Again, just send the measurements and I'll show you the fabrics that you can choose from and I'll make it for you.
All right. Tell me the truth now. The most complicated design that you've done to date?
Anything with tulle.
With tulle?
Nice.
Stop it. No, don't say that, Charlene.
True.
With tulle? I've always thought tulle was the easiest fabric to work with, though.
It is the hardest
Why?
to work with. Because when you use tulle, most of the time you're gathering the fabric to give you that puffy
Yes.
look. And it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort. Tulle, man.
Yeah, it look like it stress you out for real. Charlene look like Champagne said, don't carry that tulle, come give it, please. But the funniest thing, tulle is a fabric that I like because I love that very statement look, It
does give a statement for you, but it's a lot of work.
Wow, okay. All right. Tell me how persons can get in touch with you. Grand Gala is later on. I know people right now still don't know what to wear to Grand Gala. You have all this good stuff.
Right.
Yeah.
So my WhatsApp number is 876-473-1525 and you can find me on Instagram at creativemelanin_.
Okay.
Yes.
The other thing as well, you say you do everything.
Yes.
You do kids' pieces as well?
Yeah, of course I do. For everyone. Once you're inhaling and exhaling, Charlene will make clothes for you.
And for the men as well?
Yes.
You don't have to forget a good shirt.
Of course. I do make for men as well.
All right, nice. Tell me something though, Charlene, as we wrap up. Where do you want your business to go? Where do you see it going?
All over, both locally and internationally. I do have clients that when they're going overseas, they say, Charlene, I'm going to this country. I need you to make a few pieces for me because they want to step out in our Jamaican brand, Jamaican made clothes. So I want to be all over the world. God has given me this gift to showcase to the entire world.
Well, you're on smile, my darling. You just kind of can check that box, right? Because you're all over the world for sure. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Owner and fashion designer of Creative Melanin, Charlene Gray. All right. After the break, guys, we have a chat with Minister Julian Minto. Stay with us as the models do their thing. I love it. You guys look so nice.
Jamaica.